Sergeant Fosa, Wahala officer.
You think I dey play? The police recruitment go soon close. I get passion for this thing. Connect me to Sergeant Fosa. I beg you. Ma call you 30 minutes time. I beg pick. Okay, I don't hear. This kind of wahala be this one.
Man, I heard you talking about joining the police force.
See, bros, you no go understand. I don't try. They do me shakara. I get passion for this thing.
Talk more. You see, I came here to receive fresh air. My man was telling me that you have to help someone. Young man, you have the job.
Bros, you don't understand. I say I want to join police. They say you have the job.
Say you have it. You are not a police officer. But let me tell you, the IG of police, my brother.
IG of police, my brother. Bros, I beg you in the name of God. Bros,
Stand up.
Bros,
See,
I get passion for.
I can see it. You have passion. You see, when you help people, doors open for you. You understand?
God bless
so
you, sir.
you have the job. You can even start arresting people now, sir.
So, I can't. Thank you, sir.
I'm telling you, but it's just that something is involved. Come on. Just like 5,000 there. Understand? It's not for me, it's for the boys. Just to play where. You have the job, bro. You have the job. Young officer.
Sir, I beg you in the name of God. It's only 3,000. This is my last card. I cannot lie to you. Sir, please, I beg, sir, please.
I just told you that I am the IG's brother and you are getting. Do I look hungry?
Sir, oh,
you are judging me with my shoes.
No, sir, I'm not judging you. I'll give you my first salary, sir, please. I don't have any money for that. Sir, please. Thank you, sir. God bless you, sir. Sir, would you like this?
Go and start training. Just stand up, press up, jump gutter, fly everywhere.
I can arrest anybody. I shall arrest anybody.
Shut down your streets.
Thank you, sir.
Eh?
Sir, let me just give you my number. God bless you, sir. You don't lack any good.
Do you have any other friend that want to join?
Sir, I'll bring all of
Pack them.
Thank you, sir.
I want to help this country.
Sir,
there's no job in this country. This is your number.
Thank you, sir.
You have a job.
Sir, you call me, sir. Thank you, sir.
Just
hey,
go,
God, thank you. Sir, God bless you, sir.
Go and cry no more. Eh? Young officer!
Hey, shut up!
Carry on.
Sergeant Fosa, Wahala officer.
Young man, how are you doing?
I'm fine.
The way you are standing, it feels like something is wrong. Do you have a job currently? Because I know the country is not safe, it's not balanced. There is no job anywhere, but I have a job for you. My spirit tell me to help you because do you know about the new recruitment going on in the police force?
Recruitment?
Yes, going on currently, and you have the physique to be a police officer. In fact, if you join, you can go make you DPO. My brother is the IG of police. So you have the job. Smart thing.
What's the name of the current IG of police?
Are you telling me you don't know? That's wrong now. How can you be a citizen and you don't know the IG of police? That's wrong. That's wrong. No.
What's the name of the current IG? Tell me now.
It's Nonso Amadi.
Nonso Amadi.
Yes.
Okay.
You used to try and learn this thing from you. You're a bad guy. Now you've learned one thing. You're owing me. So are you ready to join?
You know, for some time now, I'll just see myself wearing police uniform in the dream.
In the dream? You're lucky. See, I bring dreams to reality. Officer, shout!
Every time, I'll be doing police work in the dream.
You do it in real life. You have it too. Yeah, it's just that. It's just small thing. So now. It's not for me or for the boys, so that they'll just clear away. With the way I'm looking at you, Bab, if you join, they'll give you IG. No, that's too big. They'll give you DPO.
DPO.
Yes, now. So just like 5K.
My brother, there's no price too high to pay for your dreams.
Yes, smart guy. See, you're not even hard though. So do you have it here or want to do transfer?
My house is not very far from here. Let me give you.
Let's go. See, I'll vow that I'm going to be helping the citizens. People are suffering, though. I'm telling you. Officer, shot!
Yes. No, just wait now. Let me go. Let me go and bring it. Yes. Let me go and get it.
You're coming, are you?
Yes, now come. Just wait.
I have other people to help, so be fast.
Sergeant Enforcer, Wahala Officer.
Young man.
Hey. You don't have uniform, you have not joined police. In this dream, you have been dreaming this thing, though. It fits you, Sha. Wow. From dream, you have uniform already waiting to join. You're a serious person.
Who did you say is the IG of police again?
What kind of question is this one now? Nonso Amadi now.
Nonso Amadi. My name is Sergeant Enforcer.
Sir?
From Community Police Department.
So you mean this not fake, this is real?
It's not only Nonso Amadi now. It's Femi Panikayode.
You mean this is not fake? Nonso Amadi, IG of police.
Okay, it's madness time. No, now let me press for you. I've covered you now. You think you've not of Sergeant Enforcer? It's me you are doing those drama for. You have not of me. It's the devil. I'll sound devil now. Please. I don't even know your offense now because your offense is like multitude of offense. Forgive your offense. You're under arrest too. I say you're under arrest.
For what, sir?
For everything.
Sergeant Enforcer, Wahala Officer.